Hello and welcome to another update video on ADA. I'm here currently on the 1 hour time frame for ADA and the market is still under pressure. And I still haven't got any evidence that a low is in. Now, as per the last updates, because of the three-wave move up that we saw from the Wednesday low, the 5th, another low is likely, and was likely, and it's currently still following that wide scenario to the downside here. So all I can say at this point is the pressure remains down for now. The preferred expectation is still that we should test 47.3 cents at least. I mean, maybe even a bit lower. The next larger support area from the larger degree is at around 43.7 cents. But that's really here the larger degree. Yeah. And you see here of our larger support box, the golden ratio level. I'm not sure though, if we break below 47.3, I'm not sure if we're going to hold that, because 47.3 cents is the 78.6 retracement of the rally from the 10th of October low. Since that recovery rally that we had, we haven't seen any meaningful reversal setup to the upside, or let's say reversal attempt, because all the movements to the upside since that swing high here on the 13th of October, well, they were just three-wave movements, only bounces, yeah? And so I can tell you that until we really break above this 82.5 cent level, there is no sign of a meaningful recovery. I mean, that's the level I've been highlighting for the last month. So everything below is literally just noise, or rather downward. But because the movements to the downside don't look impulsive as such, they're more like three-wave movements, I still keep the door open for higher prices. That doesn't mean I'm short-term bullish though, because there are a few things that come together here. As I mentioned many times, I mean nearly in every video over the last month, is the data quality is very poor, especially since that flash crash on the 10th of October, that low that formed here. The data quality is extremely poor because we don't really know which low should we use, because on different exchanges we have different lows, different prices for the low, and then I can't really see what happened in that candle. There isn't really any microstructure, so that's what I mean when I say data quality is poor. I mentioned that and explained that many times. And then the recovery didn't even take us above that swing high there from the 10th of October, which means we're forming lower highs. And yeah, for now, then obviously we've been watching each of these lows for reversal patterns, but without any five-wave move up and without any break above that signal line, there is no reversal pattern. Now, the nearest signal that we are turning around, let's say the nearest resistance and the earliest signal that the bulls are showing up and that we're turning around in some form, that there is a low of sorts, that would be a break above the 60.6, 60.7 cent level, which is this week's high. So pressure remains downward. I don't see this 1-2 setup as very likely, as you know, but it is one that I'm tracking as long as we're holding above the 10th of October low. Because of the poor data quality, though, it could make sense to wait for a first local 1-2 setup to the upside. So yeah, that's the update on ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then also, make sure to follow us on X for additional updates, charts, news, and much more. A lot of info here comes a little bit sooner and faster than, for example, on YouTube. So check it out. There are also some extra updates on X. You can ask questions. I'll be there again, pretty much there all day. So check it out. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.